Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to perform cuts in Filmora. It is a straightforward process, so just follow along. Start by navigating to your Media or the Stock Media tab and choose the footage you wish to edit. Drag your selected clip onto track 1 of the timeline. If you only need a specific portion, like the first second, play the video until you reach that exact mark. Once you've found the spot, click the scissors icon to split the footage. Now that the clip is divided, highlight the unwanted section and hit backspace to remove it. Next, bring a second clip onto the timeline and snap it to the end of the first one. You will see a smooth transition between them. Pause the playback at the point where you want to trim this second clip and use the backspace key again. To reorder your clips, simply select one and drag it behind the other until it snaps into place. You can then highlight both segments and move them to the very beginning of your project timeline. As you can see, the clips are now arranged in reverse order. Beyond splitting, you can also adjust duration by dragging the edges of a clip to lengthen or shorten it. Remember, selecting both clips allows you to edit them simultaneously, while selecting just one only affects that specific piece. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.